Hi friends, I'm back with another new amazing tutorial. You can see how beautiful it is. You can also edit exactly like this. All you have to do is simply follow the video till the end, watch till the end and download the background. I will give download link in the description. Friends, if you're first time watching my video, please consider like the video and subscribe it to channel and tap on the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification directly. Okay, by using the Picsart, you are going to edit this special unique concept photo editing. Now let's check in the video without wasting time. First of all, you have to open Picsart application. See you there.